Candies. But all my friends call me Candy.
So, Candice, which family are you related to?
The Davis family.
Davis family. But I thought I knew all the
I've been away studying, and it's a big family, as you would know.
This is true. You are you have a very big family indeed. I'd love for you to extend my gratitude and thanks to your family for all the support they've been giving us over the years.
And on the behalf of my family, you're welcome.
So, Candice, are you one of my loyal supporters?
As a matter of fact, I am. And I want to say thank you so much for fixing the bypass road that leads to the highway.
It's my pleasure. Or should I say, it's my duty.
I had to take a second look just to recognize if it was really you.
Thank you.
I thought politicians always have their bodyguards, or should I say, entourage.
Only when it's necessary, Candice. This is my chill spot, not one of those occasions. And besides, I'm a man of the people.
But are you a man for the people?
Absolutely.
Well, not based on recent events in the media.
Okay. So this convenient meeting, this is what this is about?
Calm down, Minister. I'm not in the media, and I'm not here to quiz you about the recent race. I'm sorry. I offended you.
Don't leave. I'm sorry. I'm sorry as well. Sorry for going off on you like that. It's just that I'm a little wired and on edge right now. The situation is a little fluid. Please, have a seat. The public doesn't really understand how hard we work as politicians. So it's a little hurtful on their reaction, you know, it's a little hurtful for us.
So, are you saying that civil servants are not hardworking people?
That's not what I'm saying at all.
But it seems that way.
Candice, let me ask you a question.
Sure, go ahead.
What's your line of work?
Political science, major.
Okay. That makes sense.
Minister, I'm not saying that the politicians don't deserve a raise. But you have to look after your civil servants. Come on. 200%?
Alright. Without going into too much details as to why the percentages are so exorbitant. It's a part of a mandate that was put in place many years ago. So it's legal, it's binding, and we can't be collecting less than who we are supervising. So if the public sector gets a raise, it's automatic that the parliamentarians should get the same.
You just gave me the politically correct answer. But each day, we're losing teachers, nurses, police officers to overseas entities. Don't you think you might want to rethink your position.
Oh no, Candice. No need for that. I'll handle the bill.
No, mister. I can handle it.
Oh, look what you've done to me. Oh, look what you've done to me.
So, can I see you again?
Do you come here often?
Often enough.
Then we would definitely run into each other.